Grok is no longer free, and suddenly, thousands of creators are stuck. A lot of people are confused. But what if I told you, right now, there are still some powerful, completely free AI tools that can do everything Grok did, and in some cases, even better. From generating insane visuals to creating full videos, all without paying a single dollar. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best free Grok alternatives that nobody is talking about, but everyone should be using. So, before you even think about paying for AI, watch this till the end, because you might never need to. So, you just pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something really important, especially if you were using Grok AI to create content or running a faceless YouTube channel. So you must know that Grok AI has now become a paid tool, costing around $30, and because of that, a lot of creators are struggling to find free alternatives. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you 4 amazing AI tools that you can use to generate videos for free and unlimitedly. And all of them really have better results than and almost same results as Grok AI. The first tool is digen.ai. You will find the links of all the 4 tools in the description below. So all you need to do is just click the link in the description, and when you will direct here, click on that person icon and simply sign up with your Google account. You can also use temp mail for signing up. And after signing up, you can see that you will get free 300 credits. And this tool takes 30 credits for each generation. So you can make around 10 videos using one single temp mail, and when you will be out of credits, just sign up with another temp mail for 30 more free credits. Okay, now let's generate something with it. You can see a prompt box here. You can see here you can even make image to video on this tool by clicking on this plus icon. But for now, I am making a normal text to video. Here I entered this prompt, and after that, you can see here that it supports 8 seconds long video. And then you can select the aspect ratio from here too. I am selecting 16:9. And you can see that it supports 720p quality, while Grok generates a video in 360p for free. And then just click on generate and your video will be start generating. And here it is. You can see that the result is so good, and the result is really better than Grok AI. Okay, the next tool is faceless. You will find the link in the description. This tool gives you more control over your visuals and is great for cinematic style content. Now let's sign up using your email ID and you will land here. And you can see on the left side, you really have too many features to use. If you want to create a text to video, then you can click here, or if you want to generate image to video, then click here and you will land here. Click here and upload your reference image from here. And after uploading, enter the prompt here, and then from here select the aspect ratio and video duration from here. Keep the duration at 5 seconds, otherwise there will be an error in the video. And then click on generate. And here is your video. You can see that the video is too good and the result I got is really amazing. This is the second alternative you can use instead of Grok AI. Now let's move on. The third alternative tool is qwen.ai. Click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. And then click here and you will see create video option. Click on it and then add a text to wide prompt here. You can set the aspect ratio from here. And then click generate. And here is your result.
So the protagonist's choice isn't about right or wrong, it's about who she becomes after the decision.
You can see the result is just mind-blowing, and it is better than the Grok AI. It also supports audio in their videos. You can also use this tool as an alternative of Grok AI. Okay, now finally, we have the last but not the least tool, lmarena.ai. You will find the link in the description and then sign up or log in with your email. And when you land here, you will see that if you want to generate images, you can click here, or if you want to generate videos, then click here. And as you can see that you can also upload reference image from here and can make image to video. Now enter the prompt here and click on generate button. And after some time your video will be generated. Here it is.
This is such a beautiful day. And this bubble tea is the best.
Look, the results is just insane and either better than the Grok AI. So guys, if you were worried about Grok AI becoming paid, now you have 4 powerful free alternatives that you can start using right away. With these tools, you can create videos for free and unlimitedly by just signing up with temp mails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.